All right, we are recording now. So the app that I made was essentially a app for a whiskey distillery that I work at in the Atlanta area. I made it through appypie.com. So generally I think this would be a great way for consumers to follow along and get a good handle of what's going on, what new whiskeys are being released, and any events that they might want to attend at the distillery. So first things first, we have an About Us page. So this just has information about what motivated everyone to kind of become part of this small business. It started in 2016. It contains some information about the founder, Charlie Thompson, as well as the mission and vision of the company. What's nice is it has the business hours at the very bottom of the page, so if there's ever any questions about what time the distillery will be open, it will be down there. It's also